Did you know that the word intestate means to die without leaving a will?
What? What the fuck?
And to die tested means to die leaving a will.
Damn!
And did you know that your next of kings in your bank account is not someone who will automatically inherit your properties when you die?
Oh God, please, no! No!
You don't know, now you know. So follow
let's
me
go.
as I take you through the untold story behind the next of kings. The Black Law Dictionary defined the next of kings as a descendant related by blood or by affinity. Meaning your brother, your sister, or your relative could be your next of kings. And by affinity means by marriage. So your wife, your son, your daughter could be your next of kings. And do you also know that the next of kings was defined by the Black Law Dictionary to mean an intestate heir? An intestate heir means someone to administer the estate of the deceased person when the person died. What does the estate of the deceased mean? Meaning someone that will ensure the property of the deceased is automatically transferred to the beneficiaries. As the next of kings, you will ensure certain things are done in order for the property to be transferred. Let's imagine one of your relatives die and he leaves you as his next of kings. And this person that dies has a son, has a wife, has a wife, he has a daughter. So the fact that he left you as the next of kings does not mean you will automatically inherit the property. This is where the Lord has conferred on you certain obligations as the next of kings. As the next of king, it behoves on you to ensure that the letter of administration is taken. What is the letter of administration? You as the next of kings will apply for the letter of administration to enable you administer the estate of the deceased person because the person died intestate. When the person dies intestate, dies without leaving a will, it means that you as the next of kings, you will be the one to go ahead and apply for the letter. The letter of administration is a legal document that enables you to administer the estate of the deceased person in accordance with what the deceased person would have done, or in accordance with laid down rules and regulation. And also, if the person die without leaving a will, and the person does not have a father or a mother, a brother or a sister, you are the next of kings, and you know he has told you by words of mouth before that you are the next of kings. You are the only surviving heir. You automatically have the right to inherit that person's property. You have the right to inherit that person's property when certain rules and regulations has been met. You have the right as the next of kings to apply to probate for a letter of administration in order for you to administer the deceased estate in accordance with how the deceased would have administered it, or in accordance with what you want. And you as the next of kings, you also have the right to be able to administer the finances of the deceased. You have the right to pay off the debts of the deceased. You have the right to sell the properties. You have the right to say whatever you want, the money that you have accrued from the property of the deceased, what it should be used for, or what it should be projected towards. And so please note that the fact that you die intestate does not mean that there is no other aspect called dying testate. When you die testate means you died leaving a will. And when you are the next of kings, the law ensures that you follow certain obligation. You will no longer be the administrator. You will not be an executor. An executor The law recognizes the administrator or the executor to administer the estate of a deceased person. So when you die leaving a will, whoever the person has named in the will to execute, to be the executor, will be the executor. As the executor, you have the same rights, the same obligations as the administrator. You have the rights to inheritance, you have the rights to administer the finance, you have the right to distribute the property, you have the right to administer to distribute the estate of the disease of the disease when you have applied for a letter of administration to enable you to distribute the estate of the disease.